Welcome, and thank you for visiting G2 Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, Richmond's boutique orthopedic surgery and sports medicine practice. Our main office is located at 100 Concourse Boulevard, Suite 150 in Glen Allen, Virginia. Parking is conveniently located near the main entrance, and please let us know if you need assistance getting from your vehicle to our office. Our experienced staff and award-winning orthopedic surgeons are dedicated to providing you with specialized and individualized care for your hip, shoulder, elbow, knee, ankle, and other joint pain. Check out all of our patient resources at g2orthopedics.com, and we look forward to seeing you soon.